Chicken fingers. For this tasty dish, we need chicken fillet, 4 eggs, salt cookies, flour, and olive oil. Cut the fillet into strips. Pour flour into a plate. Also need to break the eggs. Mix it. Crush cookies into a plate. Preheat oven to 170 degrees. Put foil on a tray. Grease foil with olive oil. Wrap the fillet in flour, eggs, and then crumbs. Put on a tray. Put the tray in the oven. And cook it 15 minutes. Serve chicken fingers on a plate. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!